Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to Kele Kitchen. In today's menu, we are making plantain egg frittata omelettes. You will need 6 eggs, 2 plantains, 3 different colored bell pepper, 1 nut cube, onions, salt to taste, and our butter. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, those that have subscribed to Kele Kitchen. And if today is your first time, please like our video, enjoy our video, share our video, and subscribe. You can cut your plantain into small sizes. Cut your onions into smaller sizes. Slice also your 3 colored different bell pepper into smaller sizes. Prepare also your egg. Heat your cooking pan and melt the butter. Add the plantain inside the pan and allow it to cook. While the plantain is cooking, you can add the onions inside the egg and also your 3 different red bell pepper and your Maggi cube and mix it together to get it ready. You can also add a red scotch bonnet pepper. This one is already grounded and this is optional. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can check your plantain and turn it over to prevent burning. Also to enable the other side to cook too. Then mix your egg together and salt to taste. After another 2 to 3 minutes, you can now add your egg and cover it with the lid so that it can cook properly well. Remember also to turn your heat very low to prevent your frittata from burning. After 2 to 3 minutes, you check your frittata and keep an eye on it to prevent it from burning. Remember that you are cooking it on a low heat, so you keep checking it until when the egg is well cooked, then your frittata is ready to be served.